So this caravan levelling system has just arrived, and I may still do a review of this. However, I noticed on the box, do not open with sharp knife, which means a normal review video start such as this can't really work. So I started to think, what's an alternative way for a review or an unboxing video of opening a box? And here's how we did it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you'd like to create something similar yourself, then stay watching, and this is how we actually created it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the overall video and tutorial, gave some ideas. If you'd like to see more of the same, then please subscribe, and if you liked the video, hit like, and that always helps. Thanks so much. Bye now.